Looking back 25 years, it's pretty remarkable where we are now. Back in the early 2000s, there was much fewer people. The office consisted of 3 people there for a long time and 2 people in the workshop. So we all had to wear a lot of hats, and we all had to do a lot of different functions. So that meant a lot of weekends and a lot of time on the road. As the business has grown, we've now got departments. We've got people that wear all these different hats that are specialists in it. Grown our design drafting team from 1 to now a team of nearly a dozen people that work through that process. We have over 110 people in the Philippines at our business there. We have 50 plus here in Australia. We have a lot of experts in a lot of different departments, and my job really is to try and employ people who really know what they're doing. See the process work and the teams working together and the various parts of it, and they get excited about it too. Like most recently, Scott, our technical writer, has produced some really high quality manuals and documentation, and that's really taken the product offering to another level as far as what the final customers see. They get the machine, but they also get documentation that's of a very high standard, and it gives them confidence in the backing and the knowledge that goes into the machine, and the ability to look after it and support that's behind it. It's really fun to make something. We start from scratch, and we start with a blank sheet of paper, and we design and we build out those ideas into something that's functional. And it's great to see it come from an ideas sheet through to a finished product rolling out the door, and when you turn it on and it comes alive. And it's not that many companies in Australia that do make something, and that manufacturing process is really fun. So historically we had 1 location here in Brisbane. Obviously we now have our business in the Philippines, which has grown exponentially over the last 10 years. We have maintenance facility in Perth. We have one in Moranbah. We have a similar thing that's off-site here in Brisbane because we couldn't fit it in here. We're now moving to another site here in Brisbane in the next 18 months, which will more than double the size of the facility here in Brisbane. We're really looking forward to that next phase, which will be a little bit painful, picking everything up and moving it, but the end result will be an even better offering from Ausroad.